foremost, thanks to everybody for coming out today and helping us celebrate this new adventure for the King family. If you don't know, Blaze has purchased his father's business, and the new business name is King Plumbing HVAC, LLC. This is a great accomplishment. We're excited to see what all you guys do and the growth that you guys make, so congratulations again. And if you guys would like to say a few words, feel free.
Just thanks everybody for coming out and for supporting us for all these years, and we look for continued support in the community, and we've always appreciated everybody's business, and we're going to be here for a long time to take care of everybody. So thank you.
Now we get to the fun part, the chopping of the ribbon.
So smile and look at the camera. And then put the scissors up.
Ready? All right, look at the camera. Go ahead. Got it.
Great cutting skills. Actually, that was like the easiest cut I've seen this far. You guys are great.